Hey guys, got a 2026 plate Nissan Qashqai here. Just going to show you how to adjust the date and the time on this one. On this one, I'm going to turn on the ignition on the engine. And then from here, go to the screen in the center of the dash. Then press the time in the bottom left-hand corner. And on here, you can set it to automatic time zone, or if you want to do it manually, turn it off and then go to select time zone, and you can select wherever you need. And then the date format. And then go back to save.